Welcome back to Home Garden Inspiration, your ultimate guide to beautiful outdoor living and gardening ideas. Having a small yard does not mean you have to compromise on lush textures, colorful blooms, or lively landscaping. In this video, we are sharing 14 wonderful compact shrubs that are perfectly tailored for limited space home gardens. If you find these ideas helpful, please hit the like button, share this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel. The Dwarf Korean lilac is an exceptional choice for small yards thanks to its neat growth habit and manageable size. It produces highly fragrant pale purple blossoms in late spring that instantly draw pollinators to your outdoor space. Unlike traditional lilac varieties that can grow excessively tall, this compact shrub remains easy to trim and maintain. Placing it near an entry path allows you to enjoy its delightful perfume every time you step outside. For gardeners seeking structured elegance in a tight footprint, the green Gem Boxwood offers year-round greenery. This slow-growing evergreen maintains a dense, naturally spherical shape that requires minimal trimming to stay pristine. It is perfect for framing pathways, defining small borders, or creating clean geometric accents near your home's foundation. Its glossy green leaves remain vibrant through all 4 seasons, ensuring your compact landscape always looks polished. The little lime hydrangea delivers all the dramatic flair of classic hydrangeas in a much smaller, space-friendly package. Starting in summer, its large blooms emerge in soft lime green before transitioning to charming pink shades in autumn. Its sturdy stems easily support the heavy flowers, keeping the shrub upright without flopping into walkways. It thrives exceptionally well in small garden beds and makes a stunning focal point against any home backdrop. Little Princess's Japanese Spirea is a delightful mounding shrub that injects soft pastel tones into compact gardens. During summer, it becomes completely covered in delicate clusters of rosy pink flowers that attract butterflies. In the autumn, its deep green foliage turns into rich shades of bronze and red for multi-season interest. This hardy shrub requires very little maintenance, making it ideal for busy homeowners looking to maximize color. If you want striking blue foliage without taking up precious yard space, the dwarf globe blue spruce is an ideal option. This slow-growing dwarf conifer forms a neat rounded cushion of silvery blue needles that brightens any flower bed. It adds incredible year-round texture and contrasting color that stands out beautifully against traditional green plants. Because it grows so slowly, it will fit effortlessly into tiny garden beds without ever overwhelming adjacent plants. Dappled willow Hakuro-Nishiki provides a splash of dramatic variegated color that lights up small outdoor spaces. Its slender branches feature striking new leaves tinted in brilliant shades of pink, white, and fresh green. Regular light pruning keeps this shrub at a compact height while encouraging vibrant new growth with intense coloration. Planted as an accent shrub, it brings dynamic movement and soft texture to tight garden boundaries. Winter daphne is prized for bringing breathtaking fragrance to compact gardens when most other plants are dormant. In late winter it produces sweet scented clusters of tubular pinkish-white flowers alongside glossy green foliage. It thrives in partial shade, making it a great solution for narrow, shaded side yards or courtyard beds. Planting this shrub near patio seating allows you to experience its incredible perfume during early spring days. Dwarf fothergilla offers 4 seasons of garden interest while remaining well-suited for small residential lots. In spring, honey-scented, bottle-brush white flowers open before the blue-green summer foliage emerges. When autumn arrives, the leaves transform into a dazzling display of yellow, orange, and deep red tones. Its compact rounded form fits effortlessly into tight flower borders and small urban gardens. Emerald out in gold. Euonymus is a bright, low-growing evergreen shrub that brightens up dark corners and small yards. Its eye-catching foliage features deep green centers bordered by vivid golden yellow edges. In cold winter months, the golden margins take on an attractive pinkish tint, maintaining multi-season charm. It spreads gently as a neat ground cover or low border plant without overtaking surrounding landscaping. Soft caresses mahonia brings fine bamboo-like texture to limited spaces without any sharp, prickly leaves. Its graceful feathery green foliage adds an Asian-inspired elegance to small garden beds and containers. Bright yellow flower spikes emerge in late fall followed by attractive blue-silver berries in winter. This compact shade-loving shrub keeps its neat structure without demanding extensive pruning or care. Dwarf hinoki. Cypress is an exquisite slow-growing evergreen that introduces sculptural beauty to small gardens. It features dense fan-like sprays of dark green foliage that curl in a delicate layered pattern. Because of its dwarf growth habit, it maintains a compact conical shape for decades without crowding. Placing it in a small rock garden or entry bed creates a refined architectural highlight. Compact Oregon grape holly delivers dramatic year-round color while staying perfectly sized for small yard beds. Spring brings clusters of bright yellow blossoms, followed by deep blueberries that birds absolutely love. Its glossy holly-like leaves shift from bronze red in spring to green in summer and purplish bronze in winter. This tough, shade-tolerant shrub adds structural interest and wildlife value to narrow residential borders. Dwarf burning bush is legendary for its intense fire-red foliage during the autumn season. While standard burning bushes get huge, this compact cultivar stays much more manageable for small yards. It works wonderfully as a low hedge, defining garden edges while providing summer green and autumn blaze. Its dense branching structure adds tidy visual structure to your landscape throughout the entire year. Blueberry top hat is a dwarf fruiting shrub that combines ornamental beauty with delicious edible rewards. In spring, white bell-shaped flowers cover the neat bush, followed by abundant sweet blueberries in summer. Fall brings vibrant fiery red foliage, making it a spectacular addition to small garden patches or patio containers. We hope these 14 wonderful shrubs inspire you to transform your small yard into a lush paradise, so please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Home Garden Inspiration for more ideas, and we will see you in the next video.